We now have to take our drawing from Solidworks and put it into another program called TorchMate. We use TorchMate to generate tool paths for our CNC Plasma. To do this, we're going to go to File, Save As, and under Save As Type, go to DXF. You can save it in the same location, although your other files may not show up because they are not a DXF. You can have the same file name, but now it has DXF at the end. Click Save. It's asking you, well, what do you want to be sent? You can just select Current and checkmark. Now you want to view this screen, and if there is anything you do not want, select it and delete it. Everything looks good here. Click Save. You're all set for TorchMate. Make sure your drawing is saved and exit out.